very shortly. Once again, good afternoon. Welcome aboard.
Good afternoon from Albuquerque. I'm heading back to Long Beach after a fun weekend here in New Mexico. This afternoon I'm flying Southwest 1967 to Phoenix. I hope you'll enjoy today's flight experience. Although I checked in online, I still had a bag to check. There are tons of kiosks here at ABQ where you can check in, print boarding passes or baggage tags, or change flights. With my A-list status, I'm in boarding group A, number 31. After attaching my baggage tag, let's get my luggage checked and head to the gate. Albuquerque is not a busy airport, and I have some time to check out this neat exhibit here inside. There are a lot of neat exhibits showcasing airport and aviation history, and of course the Native American culture here in New Mexico. I love seeing the local artwork and learning about the diverse culture here in Albuquerque and New Mexico. I like that this airport is showcasing local artists to the country and world as we pass through. Another way to pass time is to visit the public observation area. It's in the middle of the terminal. It's still indoors, but it's a nice place to relax and see all the aircraft landing and taking off. Here's the observation area. I have a separate video sharing my plane spotting here. For now though, let's head to the gate. Here comes our plane that will serve as Southwest 1967. It's coming in from Austin. It's a 12.8-year-old Boeing 737-700, registered November 9, 3-7 Whiskey November, painted in the hard livery.
Service to Phoenix at gate number 810. We would like to remind you that carry-on items are limited to one carry-on and one personal item, such as a computer, bag, purse, or a small backpack. To ensure an on-time departure, if you have any carry-on items in your possession, such as a wheelchair, walker, or baby stroller, please come see me here at the service desk between gates 8 and 11. I would be happy to check these for you prior to boarding. We would like to remind you that face coverings are required in the terminal as well as on board the aircraft. For those of you enjoying a snack or beverage, you must minimize the time your mask is removed and recover your nose and mouth between sips and bites. As a reminder, federal regulation prohibits customers from consuming any alcohol on board that has not been provided by Southwest Airlines. If you haven't received the boarding pass with the boarding group and position number for this flight, or if you require a pre-board or additional assistance, please come see me here at the gate podium. I would be happy to assist you.
It's not often I'm at the head of the line for the boarding group, but that's what A31 provides me today.
That's fine.
Board members and all of our
our customers aboard Southwest Airlines Flight 1967 service to Phoenix. The flight attendants serving you today are going to be Melissa in the back, Maggie at mid-cabin. My name is Emmanuel. I'll be serving you up front. It is federal law and it is required to wear a face mask at all places through the flight. Even during boarding and deplaning, refusal to wear a face mask is a violation of federal law and could result in denial of boarding.
This is the older style cabin that is common on Southwest 737-700s. There are no power outlets, but there is internet for $8 and free streaming TV. These leather seats are fairly comfortable. There are no headrests, there's no power. The seats are 31 inches of pitch and 17 inches of width.
Aboard Southwest Airlines Flight 1967 to Phoenix. Very nice to have you on board. On behalf of the entire Southwest flight crew, I'd like to welcome you aboard this flight. Very quick trip once we get airborne, 54 minutes, take off to touchdown, cruising altitude 30,000 feet. If you look up, seatbelt sign is on. We do ask that you wear in your seats with your seatbelt securely fastened. Right now we're just finishing up the last of the paperwork, making sure your bags are on board. Should be on our way here very, very shortly. Once again, good afternoon. Welcome aboard.
Authorized on takeoff, check the pushback, thank you.
If needed, 4 oxygen masks will fall from the compartment overhead. To activate the flow of oxygen, you're going to pull down on the mask until the plastic tubing is fully extended. Place the mask over your nose and mouth, breathe normally. You're going to secure it with the plastic strap. Even though oxygen will be flowing, the plastic bag may not inflate. Continue to wear the mask until otherwise notified by a crew member. If you are traveling with anybody needing special assistance of children, put your mask on first. Thank you for your attention. Now sit back and relax. Enjoy your 54-minute flight to Phoenix.
We're just about to take off. Enjoy the sounds of the takeoff and today's flight.
modified drink. It's a snack service. There is a beverage menu in the seat back pocket right in front of you. Just simply point to the beverage of your choice. Don't need to remove your mask when we come by to take your order. Try to get that out and make sure everybody gets their drinks. Thank you so much.
For a short flight like this, we get a small snack mix bag. It's got a variety of pretzels and other assorted things. I decided to get some orange juice to go with the snack mix. It's a short flight, so don't expect anything fancy. Maybe one day I'll be eligible for one of the drink coupons. experience. I'll keep myself entertained watching what's streaming and enjoying the views of the desert Southwest. Let's wrap up this flight. First, it's a full flight, but boarding seems fairly orderly even with the open seating policy. Again, it's a full flight, and so expect to feel a little bit crowded inside. The seats across row 10 do not recline. Choose a different seat if you want to recline the 1 degree or so. It's always nice to get a snack mix and get a drink again. Enjoy the scenery or enjoy the streaming TV. Remember though, the channels are more limited than on JetBlue. And again, make sure your device is fully charged as there is no seat power. With all that, I hope you enjoyed the flight. Thanks for joining me on this flight experience on Southwest 1967. See you next time.